Hello everyone, welcome to my UK Twin Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make delicious pork leg soup. This is pork leg soup, Ghana style, Infante style, and you see how its look is very yummy. It's very delicious and stop. Hey. Please wash your hand and let's start eating. All hands are invited, yeah? Oh my god. Oh, ah, sorry, yeah? But you can make some in your house, so don't worry. And let me show you the things you need. This is the ingredients you are going to use for the soup. This is the pork leg. That is the salty pork leg. And this is my dry fish and my fried fish I'm going to add to it. This one we are going to cook and blend it. And this is my garden eggs, my onions, my fresh pepper and my fresh tomato. And this is my tomato paste. I'm using 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and salt for taste. And this is the spices I'm going to add it to it: onions, garlic, shrimp, Maggi tablets, ginger, garden eggs and okra. I want the salt on my pork leg to come out, so I'll pour water on it and wash it, and then I soak it for 7 to 10 minutes, because if I make that, all the salt will come out and the color also will change. Okay, I'm going to cook this one. So this is the garden eggs, fresh pepper, fresh tomatoes and onion. You cut it into pieces, you clean it nicely and you cut it into pieces like this, and you set it on fire and let it be cooked until soft, and you cover it. Let it be cooked until soft. Let's start this one too. And the 1 onion left, you divide it into 2. You chop the half, then you add your ginger to it too. You cut it into pieces like this one, and you put into your blender. You add small water to it. You blend until smooth. And you chop the half onion left. You chop it. Very thanks to my old subscribers and my followers. If you are new here, don't forget to like my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell there. You see this water is from the pork I soak it. You see, it's not good, so you throw it away and you soak it again. You see, all the red color will come out. Yeah, all cannot come out, but almost 99% will come out, the same like the salt. And you put into your bowl you are going to use to make your soup. Add the dry fish to it. Add the chopped onion to it. You add your Maggi, and you add a pinch of salt. Please be careful with the salt, because this type of pork I'm using have too many salt on it. And you add your blender ginger tin to it. You use water to wash inside, and you add that one too. You check the this one you are cooking, if it's already cooked or soft, you take it from the fire, you put it aside, and you put this one on fire. You cover it, let be steam for 7 to 10 minutes. You see this water, don't throw it away, we are going to use it. Pour on the blender, you add your tomato paste to it, you add cold water to it, you blend until smooth. You open it and you stir it small. You stir it small like this one, yeah. And you cover it again, yeah. You cover it again. When it's your 10 minutes and you open it, then you add this one to it. This is the tomatoes and onions, we blend it, that's the thing. And you see this water you use to wash your blender inside, and you add that one to it. Then you add the water again because it's too thick, so it's supposed to be light, and you add water again, yeah. So that's light soup, not stew. We are making light soup, so it's supposed to be light, yeah. Add your 3 garden eggs, you clean it and you divide it into 2, you cut it into 2, you add that one to it, yeah. Cover it halfway and let it be boil or cook until you see the soup has reduced small, yeah, it has reduced. And then you can see, you see my soup, the side it has reduced, so the soup is almost ready. And you add your fried fish to it if you like it. If you don't like it, no, it's option, you can add it or you can leave it like this, and you add that one to it. And I'm going to cook my okra because I don't want to add my okra to the soup now. That's why I'm cooking that one different. You cut it like this, you add small salt to your okra, you cook until also soft, and this is the soup. The soup is ready to serve. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell there, like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching my UK Catering Services. See you on my next video. Bye bye.